bàbá olóyin Sẹ̀san Adéwùsì táwọn tọ́lọ́run gbogbo ènìyàn tó bá fẹ́ ròyìn òkìkí ọ̀dọ̀ Sẹ̀san Adéwùsì ní kí ẹ gbà lọ.
ta ni ó gba kánbó lọ́wọ́ ọmú ta ni ó gbósùn kíkùn lọ́wọ́ Ìlọrin ta ló lè bá Sẹ̀san Adéwùsì tán.
Good day, Fias. Here you meet me again, Mr. Sẹ̀san Adéwùsì Tantolon, Bàbá Olóyin nǹkan, Bàbá Olóyin original. I'm living at Iyesi Ota, Bàbá Olóyin bus stop, Iyesi Ota, Bàbá Olóyin bus stop, Iyesi Ota. Don't forget, I'm selling booze and honey. I am selling booze on honey. I'm the publisher of honey as a medicine, healing power of honey, ìwòsàn lóyin, ọ̀nà àbáyọ fún ìṣòro ẹ̀dá, solutions to woman problems. Do you believe that these two books are online? This honey as a medicine and agbára ìwòsàn oyin, healing power of honey, they are on PDF. If you are not around, you are not living in Lagos or this environment, and this environment, you want to buy the books, you can get your books on email or WhatsApp. You can get your books on email or WhatsApp. Yes, you can get it there. But if I'm in Lagos or Ogun State, you can come to Sango Ota, Baboni bus stop, Iyesi Ota, or you can go to Mushin. We have a branch at Mushin. Number 4, Alokolaro Street, Mushin. Number 4, Alokolaro Street, Mushin. You can go there to buy our products. You can get honey there. You can get the boost there. CAF Communications is an honest man. He has been with us for over 10 years. Yes, over 12 years, I can see. So you go there, ask for CAF Communications. Number 4, Alokolaro Street, Mushin. At Surulere, you can see Ajia Fatimant. Ajia Fatimant, number 5C, Akerele Street Extension, opposite Power Holding. Opposite Power Holding, Akerele, Surulere. Some people used to call that area Shita area. It's the same thing. If you go to Agodo Egbe, Sele bus stop, we are not at Ikotun, but we are at Egbe. When you reach Egbe, Sele bus stop, Egbe, take Maruwa going to Agodo. Tell Maruwa man or people in the Maruwa vehicle that you are dropping at Femi Oshobu Street, house of Mrs. Taiwo, Mama Mubo. That woman also has been with us for a long time. Number 2, Femi Oshobu Street, Agodo Market. Atoshodi, you can see BS Media. BS Media. Mr. Bolami Ibi. Yes. Mr. Bolami Ibi is the director, managing director for BS Media Services. Number 6, Everett Way, Alasia bus stop. You know why TK petrol station along the road? And behind that petrol station is that upstairs. You will ask for number 6, Everett Way, Alasia bus stop. You can get our products there, both honey and the books. You will get it there. Today, I want to teach you about how you can use quail eggs for those people getting tuberculosis. Tuberculosis is a serious cough that you use to send people to early grave. How to use quail eggs, ẹyin àparò. Yes, you know I told you this book is for quail eggs. How you can use quail eggs and Moringa oleifera. But today, I will teach you some of the things you can see in the book. It is even in honey as a medicine. Those of you that bought honey as a medicine, I will tell you how you can check it. Some people get the boost, they don't read it. You have to read it. This quail eggs. See, you can use it to cure tuberculosis. Before I continue this program, I want to tell you people that there is a boy claiming to be Baba Oloyin boy, Baba Oloyin original. This boy has opened different Facebook accounts on my behalf. I don't have such a boy as my son. I want to tell you people, you have to take note. He has opened Facebook page, different Facebook pages on my behalf. The boy is claiming to be Baba Oloyin original boy. This boy, maybe sooner or later, he will join his co-mates as Kirikiri. Because if he get family, I think they're supposed to warn him. My father didn't want me to be a nuisance to community. He's trained me. He gave me the education he can afford. Yes, I trained all my children because I don't want them to be nuisance to community. But there's a boy fake sound to Baba Oloyin original. He has opened many Facebook account pages. Facebook pages. Yes, Facebook account. He has opened it. He called himself the son of Baba Oloyin. The name he uses Olasi OG, Olayemi Babatunde, Olasi OG, Olayemi Babatunde. He have another account name, Maina Aliu Saleh. They are claiming Baba Oloyin original. You people maybe it's using your own name to default people. You cannot know. But many people were calling me. I heard of those selling inside buses, claiming to be Baba Oloyin boys. Maybe this is the boy also. Some people, they are selling only in the buses, claiming to be Baba Oloyin original. I told you my video, I don't send anybody to sell only from inside buses. No. Many people will come to my house. They will say, hey, I saw one honey in the bus. I bought it. When I reach house, the honey is not good. So what concern me? I always mention it on radio programs, television programs, and YouTube and Facebook that I don't have any agency in the bus. Why do you fall victim of those people? This is another one I'm warning people. You should be clear. You should be aware of this boy. Olayemi. Yes. Olayemi Babatunde Olasi OG. The second account Facebook is using is Maina Aliu Saleh. The telephone number is using 070-258-99632. Many people have called to him. I told people I don't treat stroke again. This boy said they can treat stroke. All the things I told you people on this program that I treated some people for stroke, since they didn't want to appreciate. If anybody wants to come for that, I don't want. But if I'm an herbalist or prophet, if you want to collect the secret, I can give you, provided you can pay me. If you can pay me my charges, I will give you the secret. But for me, for people to come and kill my house, I don't have stopped it. But this boy, Olasi OG, Olayemi Babatunde, is claiming to be Baba Oloyin original boy. That all the things Baba Oloyin say he cannot do, he's ready to do it for them. That he has talked to Baba, and many people are paying to him. He have bank account. The bank account name is using is Olubusi Aderopo Matthew. I will show it to you during this program. Just patient. You will say it doesn't concern me. Maybe it's using your brother account. Maybe it's using your brother's name. Maybe it's using your name to defraud people. You can't know. He has many accounts. But the one that concerns me is what I'm saying to the public now. The account number I said people should be paying money to is Olubusi Aderopo Matthew account. With account number. I don't want to mention the name of the bank here, where you will see it by yourself. 004663243. It's not my account number. I don't know him. I don't know Olubusi Aderopo Matthew. I don't know him. The only number I'm using for advertisement, Glow number 08054749455. Listen again, 08054749455 is my number. But the number this boy is using, I've told you, don't patronize him. If you patronize him or Yoluwa, you are at your own risk. Yes. Share this thing to some friends. Please share this information to people. This boy is bold enough to tell people he's doing ritual money for people. He charges them every month. He's telling them he can do ritual money. He said he can do stroke for them. He's collecting money on behalf of different accounts. But the name we detected is using first of all is Olubusi Aderopo Matthew. That we collected from him. He sent it to us. The evidence is there. We screenshot all these evidences. We collected his voice intact. Yes, I have many police officers, many police friends, many police brothers and sisters. They will work on it. They will work on it. I told him, I even call him, why are you doing all this thing? He said I should go to hell. He said, Mumu, go to hell. Nobody can arrest me. The boy didn't give any address. You, if you call him, you want to come and visit him, he will say, we send the products to you. After payment, he will not send anything. Don't forget Olasioji. He have different, this is the only one I see. He have many different accounts on Facebook. Don't forget Olasioji. Ọláyẹmí Babátúndé olórí burúkú ni o. Ní kó sọ́wọ́ wọn o. Wèrè tó yẹ kó kàwé tí ó kàwé ọmọ amúgbó. Yes, by the special grace of God, tàbí tí òfin mú wọn tó ṣerú ẹ̀ lánàá dà wọ́n ti lọ. Irin tó ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀, ẹ̀fà tó ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ ìwé ẹ̀ lọ́ni. Ẹ mọ́ gbàgbé. As I was talking, yes, if somebody gets cough, tuberculosis, you know the one I just told you is very important also. Some people say, wetin concern me. Wetin concern me, it can concern your brother. It can concern your sisters. Those who call me, they know that when they call me, sometimes I will reply them, go to herbalist, go and see your pastor, go and see your doctor. That's how I always reply some people. They say, why? I said, look, anything I don't know, I will refer to them, go and see your doctor. Go and see your herbalist, go and see your pastor, go and see your prophet. That's how I always save some people. Some people, when they come to my house, I used to tell them like that. But this boy say he know everything. He's collecting money from people. I even called him. The reply he gave me, I screenshot him. I recorded him. All his posts, we have recorded it. We have screenshotted it. You will see it in this program. So if you have tuberculosis, this is how you will do it. If you can break these eggs, yes. Tuberculosis is a stubborn and wicked cough that can send victim to early grave if proper medication is not applied to it. Many people have spent a lot of money when looking for the cure of tuberculosis. Some have sold their properties just to get cure. But unfortunately for them, they couldn't get cure. The wonderful God has provided solution to the patient of tuberculosis through the Japanese way is. Solution. I'm reading from this book. If patient of tuberculosis can be taken 3 raw eggs early in the morning before food and 3 raw eggs in the night after food before going to bed, by the special grace of God, he or she will thank God. Then another thing, if you cannot get 3 to be taken like this, you can get one crate of these eggs, break the eggs, mix it with the original 1 bottle of honey. Take 1 spoon or 2 in the morning, afternoon, and night. Within 1 week, you will thank God. And I always tell people, if you want to use quail eggs, it must be fresh quail eggs. If it is not fresh, it may not work for you. Yes, it must be fresh. Then it must be fertile eggs. The eggs that male and female cross each other. If it is not cross one, those of you doing it for fibroid, I told you, it is that fibroid cure is in only as a medicine book. If you don't use the fertile one, the eggs that are crossed by the male and female, it may not work for you. Try to tell the person that want to sell it for you that you want the one that is crossed, that is fertile one. The one where male and female cross each other, because before the females produce this one. Don't forget my telephone number, original telephone number I'm using to answer people is 080 54 74 94 55. Don't forget. The number that boy is using to transfer business is not my own. Olasioji, Olayemi Babatunde. That's the name he claimed to be. But when he want to collect money from you, the account number he will give you will be Olugbusi Aderopo Matthew. That's the name he sent to people. He may be using other accounts too. On behalf of Baba Oloyin, none of my children is operating on my behalf. I'm still alive by the special grace of God. Nobody, none of my children is operating. You cannot know the address of this boy. He will tell one man is living at Ijebu. If you call him tomorrow, he will tell you he's living at Owode. If you call him for another person, call him. He will tell you he's living at Oyo State. Sometimes he used to tell people it's artifact. So all the reports has reached him, and we have called him, warned him. If you don't stop, the whole world will hear you. I know YouTube will work on it, but I'm surprised how he happened to put Facebook. I will have to register and pay his sponsor that advert on Facebook. I'm surprised for that. Yes, we have informed the Facebook about this thing. Yes, that is duping people, claiming himself to be Apollo Eugenia. I have been this way for the past 22 years. I labor for my name. Whoever wants to spread the name, yes, I know I use this my hair to carry this costume when I was doing theater with Remila Wansi. Yes, I did theater before. Theater, Remila Wansi. Ajangboke odo, ibi ori dani si la ngbe, Ajangboke odo. I use this my hair to carry costume to the University of Lagos, to all these places. I know when I did some programs on Radio Nigeria, sometimes they will not pay us. Yes, I've paid my dues, and God is ready to bless me. Anybody that wants to tarnish my image, God is ready to punish the person. If police don't catch you, God is there to. We know He has been using different names. If you want to buy books, don't patronize him. You don't get any book to buy. He is watching the program as well, because always follow me. Yes, you know I told you about Ghana people. That man in Ghana that I said he was personating me. The man, I don't know whether that man has stopped, but no complaint has ever come from Ghana again. And the one in the bus is the same. I suspect it's the same boy sending some people inside bus. If you see the boy of just 20 years. You will see all this picture in this program. Stay tuned. Till next time when you meet me again, God will bless you and enrich your purse. Remain blessed.
Bàbá olóyin, Sẹ̀san Adéwùsì tá ń tọ́lọ́run. Gbogbo ènìyàn tó bá fẹ́ ròyìn òkìkí, ọ̀dọ̀ Sẹ̀san Adéwùsì ní kí ẹ gbà lọ.
Ta ni ó gba kánbó lọ́wọ́ ọmú, ta ni ó gbósùn kíkùn lọ́wọ́ Ìlọrin.